anybody to leave a review on Amazon for a product, it's different for a book, but for a product, they must have spent in total over $50 to be able to leave a review. Okay, now they can do that by 1 week buying a product for $10, the next week buying a product for $20, and the final week buying another product for $20. At that point, then they will be able to start leaving reviews. So it's got to be a total of $50 over the lifetime of that particular individual. Once they do that, then they can start leaving reviews. Until they do that, they cannot leave reviews for products. First thing to note. Second thing to note, anybody can leave a review for any product regardless of whether or not you have purchased that product. And I think from memory you get 5 such things. Let's just do vitamin C serum because it's easy. 5 such things, 5 such instances per week of products that you can leave a review on without having to have purchased the product. You get 5 of those per week, okay? So that's the second thing to note. Third thing to note, and I'm slowly building some infrastructure to actually answer the question. Third thing to note is if you buy the review, if you buy the product and do it through the normal channels where you purchase the product and then you leave a review, what that means is that it enables you to have that verified purchase next to your product review. Verified purchase, again there. Verified purchase. So it means that. All right, so that's the difference between those two. Notice here, let's see if we can find some. So these are all, it's got 74 5-star reviews, which is dodgy to say the least. Clearly some review manipulation being engaged in here. However, that's the big difference. Now, here's the interesting thing. Statistically, I love statistics, statistically, the main game on Amazon is getting somebody from this page, which is the SERPs page, search engine results page, from this page right here, to the product listing. If you can do that, then on average, according to Amazon, between 20 and 30% of people who go to your product page will go on to buy your product, given that they buy a product on Amazon similar. So the game on Amazon is getting them to your product page. Once you've done that, it's almost a foregone conclusion that they're going to buy something. Now, here's the important thing. Note that on Amazon's SERP, on the SERPs, there is no such distinction between people that have purchased the product and those that have not purchased a product. So verified reviews account for sweet FA at this particular junction. Absolutely nothing at this particular junction. And because of that, you could argue that it's an interesting thought experiment to get a load of unverified reviews, because if you do, then it's going to help you get people to click onto your listing. All right, so I'll take it no further than that. The only other thing I want to show you, so yes is the short answer to your question, Tim, you definitely can do that. Final thing I want to show you, notice here again, Amazon's Choice is ranking way above the bestseller for this particular category, which is very, very competitive. It ranks way outside. I can't even see the bestseller. And again, that speaks to what I said, not last week, but the week before, that Amazon's Choice is a much more important badge to get now than the bestseller badge. Way more important. Amazon's changed its algorithm. If you do not know anything about algorithms, Amazon's algorithms and all the rest of it, quick little plug for Neil's product, which is, by the way, absolutely flipping awesome. Amazon SEO, all one word, .com.au, AmazonSEO.com.au will teach you everything you need to know about making money on Amazon using SEO, which is something which is all about that. Okay? AmazonSEO.com.au will take you to my brilliant training course. All right, so Tim, that is the answer to that, and that is another indicator of the way that Amazon's search algorithm is changing, and something I've spoken about many, many times, Amazon's Choice, which I don't know if you saw, but Amazon's Echo has just been released in Australia. Amazon Echo, anytime you order something on an Echo or a Dot, then Amazon's Choice is what you get sent. It is very important, integral going forward to win that badge at all costs. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.